Alright, we've got everything I think ready. The last video y'all saw, we put the battery back in, we put a tire on the front, tire and rim off the other tractor. We opened up, we looked in the gas tank, it's got a little bit of water in it. We took the plug on the bottom of the carburetor out and let it flow till we got okay smelling gas. Just in case there was any water in the bottom of the carburetor, drain that out. So I think we are ready. I think I mentioned we put the battery back in it after taking it out and charging it. Let's see if this thing will start. Gas is on. Give it a little throttle. Normally don't have to choke this thing. We'll see. What did I say? Don't have to choke it. Maybe we'll need to choke it. Runs so good. Starts so easy. This is on year-old gas. I think it should have coolant in it. Yeah, it does. Let's see if the lift leaks a little bit. Yeah, it's going to need some hydraulic fluid. Or it might just have some air in it. It's got air in it. No, it's going to need some fluid. So we've got, I think we're going to have to move this golf cart, get it out. Try to put the golf cart somewhere, push it over there maybe. So I think that's, Bobcat's got a flat. What do I want to do? Bobcat's got a flat, and we're keeping the stump grinder in here. And so I'd have to move the Bobcat, move the stump grinder, or I can move that and have, because that does not work, clear that out of the way and pull the mule out and come out the front with it. I think that's going to be the best step. Yeah, we're going to need some hydraulic fluid. The tractor runs so good. Let's see if it'll idle yet. We're on the last notch of the throttle. Will it go lower? Yeah. Alright. Turn the key off. And let me clear this stuff out, and then we'll get this thing out. We'll add some hydraulic fluid to it, and then we'll put it back, and it should be ready for next weekend. Alright, push that over there. Push the mule out, because I didn't want to go get the key. Second gear. Get some choke. hydraulic oil, and we'll be done. But it is running. I'm going to cut this video off. I'll probably wash it next weekend right before the party, and we should be good to go. That tire, tractor tire, trailer tire. So, all right, this Farmall Cub is it's low on hydraulic fluid, and it seeps. You can see all this is just wet with oil. It needs new seals. I think it's this the seal for this your adjustment up and down. I think where that seal is just shot, and probably need to order a seal kit for it. But for now, I just add oil to it, hydraulic oil. And so how you do it is this plug right here. Now this one has a brass plug. I think originally it would have been a cast square-headed plug. I think that somebody replaced this one before, but we're just going to loosen that up, and I just use universal hydraulic oil. Let me go get my funnel and my oil. Repositioned, y'all. This is just one of those funnels with a bendable end, and that just makes this easier. And this is just premium universal hydraulic fluid. I normally have some of this stuff around because the Bobcat, it does not take much. So that is probably going to run over. We'll see. No? Put a little bit more. And go a little bit at a time this time. Try that. It's pretty low. You just put it till it runs out. It's a lot lower than I thought it was. It's probably enough in it, but we'll go ahead and fill it up. Just adding a little at a time. Because of that, if I had two hands, let's see, can we do it this way? Might work better that way. Yeah, it works a little better that way. And there it goes, it's full. It's kind of flushing out some nasty. Oh no, it's just air in it. It's air bubbles. I can see it running out. Yeah, lots of extra. And of course it drips on my tools. Go until it stops, and we'll put our plug back in. I just had to put my tools right under where it puked hydraulic fluid. I'll put the plug back in it, and let's start it up and we'll operate the hydraulics. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to hold you on. Well, we'll see. Might shake. We'll see. Yeah, that sounds better. I don't think that mowing deck will ever rust out. Between the oil and the hydraulic fluid that leak on this thing, it stays pretty well coated. Now that side might, but this side, you know, it stays coated. What do you say? How about we mow that little spot over there with this thing? We'll burn up this old gas that's in it. See if we can just run it, maybe run it out of gas. And I'll zip y'all up. But maybe we'll do that in the next video. So, pretty simple task. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more.